What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ruslan. I'm back on that grind, and behind me we got Big Baby. Big Baby. And today we gonna be doing us a nighttime POV drive. So just sit back, gang. Gang. As I was saying, just sit back, enjoy the stars, enjoy the lights, and enjoy the drive. I had to do whatever that is, but should we go sport mode and traction off? Yep. I always drive with sport mode and traction off. I don't know why, but it's not even supposed to be nighttime, bro. It's like 5 o'clock, but fuck it. Fuck it. We go nighttime POV. We was gonna run that, but we not gonna run it yet. And we down in the woods area, so, and it might be some cops lurking, but boy, my hands are freezing. I should stop at this gas station and get a quick thumbnail for this video. I don't know, I might just drive down to the little car wash area or so. Wait till it get darker to get my thumbnail and find somewhere with a better lighting. But y'all hear this thing? I can't wait till I'm not stock exhaust, bro. There's gonna be a cop somewhere. And it's so dark I can't even see. Like, shit. I can't, like, I'm scared. Ah, I'm scared to drive it, man, nigga. Ah. Can't be getting flicked, them biker boys. Bro, my hands are freezing, bro. Y'all don't understand how cold it is in Michigan right now. Like, I can't wait till it starts snowing, though. I can get y'all some snow videos. I know y'all mess with them. My last snow video did good. So, hold on, y'all. My bad. My phone started acting up. But, yeah, I can't wait to get y'all some snow vids. Like, real talk. Bro, it's so dark. I don't even know what I'm showing y'all no more. Freezing, yo. So cold that my stars ain't even warming me up. Ooh, y'all see that? Hold on, let me put it in. Y'all see the outside? Like, wait, I see blue lights behind me, not like white, red, and blue lights, but like, y'all know how them cop lights be extra blue. Some of them behind me, I don't know. We going on our first chase on the YouTube channel? Question mark? No, I'm just playing. I don't run from the police. I got too much to lose. Not enough to gain. Bro, this thing. I don't know why I hate on this car so much, bro. Definitely those of y'all who never drove it before. Like, okay, it's not a Hellcat or nothing, but shit, it be still do what it need to do. Like, come on, we just slid effortlessly. Like, come on now. This junk do what it gotta do. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh-wee. Stars in the ceiling. What's that song? Rolls Royce, something, stars in the ceiling. Hey, that's a red light. I mean, oh, I said a red light. I'm tweaking. I'm overly drunk. And I don't even drink. Like, we gonna go full blast down this road. Wait. Not yet. Okay, ain't no cops. That's the spot. We gonna go to first gear, go to 30, full blast. to 70. That was like 1 second, wasn't it? We just went from 30 to 70 in 1 second. Like, who car faster than mine? Like, I ain't gonna lie. I got the fastest RT in the world, yo. Look at that. Who's seen that in the comments? Who's seen that? That jump was going fast. Look at that. We in them triple digits. We in triple digits. Oh my goodness. I'm crazy, yo. Nah, let me stop trolling. Y'all go eat my ass in the comments. Hey, yo. No Diddy. Pause. Hold up. But nah, y'all gonna be on my head for sure. I don't know what. Y'all be hating, bro. Like, y'all really some haters. I hate that for y'all. Like, I love haters though. It keep me going. And keep these videos coming. Cause y'all be hating, bro. Y'all hate like, oh my god, y'all hate so bad. And it stink. Like, it stink how much y'all hate. But hey, keep hating, bro. I'ma keep doing what I do. We coming back to back YouTube videos, you feel me? So I'm gonna keep doing what I do. I'm gonna keep grinding. I'm gonna keep staying focused. Nigga, I'm about to put together a YouTube group, bro, that's ready to take this junk serious, bro. And we gonna drop bangers. We gonna be dropping hella bangers, bro. Like, I can't even lie. The amount of bangers we gonna drop, y'all gonna be like, bro, these niggas don't miss, bro. Like, I can't even lie, bro. But yeah, I'm about to just drive to the car wash and get that thumbnail. And yeah, this video ain't nothing too special. It's just I've been missing y'all, bro. Hold on, let's turn the camera, bro. I've been missing y'all, bro. Y'all like my family, bro. Like, all 1,170 something of y'all that don't even watch the videos half of the time when I post them are the best, bro. Like, all of y'all, even the ones who just subscribe for no apparent reason. I feel like you shouldn't subscribe to somebody if you don't watch them. But I mean, I'm grateful. I ain't saying don't unsubscribe if this your first video and blase. I'm just saying I feel like I should have 1,000 views on every video since I got 1,000 subscribers. But I guess that's just not how the world works for some odd reason, or social media world at least. I will go to this gas station and take the thumbnail, but my last nighttime POV drop was at that gas station, so we gonna X that out. Let's do this corner if it ain't no cars. Oh, it's a car. It's always a car. And we still gonna do that corner, cause I'm really getting like that when it comes to that sliding that corner, John. Wait till I just find a spot where I could just slide corners without worrying about crashing or nothing. There ain't no curves or nothing. I'm gonna let that bitch swing, nigga. But hold on, I'll get back to y'all when I get past this light. Alright. Man, I don't know. My energy just left. I don't know what's wrong with me, bro. My energy just cooked. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to bring better videos out, bro. I'm gonna get there one day. Right now, I just gotta drop until I can't no more. I know they say quality. Excuse me. I know they say quality over quantity, but I don't know. I don't know where I was going with that. I don't know. It's hot though, bro. It was just cold. Is my heat on? Yeah, bro, my heat was on. It was freaking hot. But yeah, we finna hit this car wash right here where I made my fire TikTok at. And then that'll wrap up today's video. I didn't get a thumbnail for my other video. I'm tweaking. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all the get y'all the thumbnail. Wow. We gonna get this angle though. Yeah, we gonna do this angle. Alright, that is gonna wrap up today's video. I hope y'all liked the video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, make sure y'all drop a comment, make sure y'all sub up. We on that grind. Stay safe and, or no, stay blessed and keep grinding.